Welcome to Shillin in Seoul. Today we're stepping inside a space that truly stands out. This building was designed by famous architects, and you can tell the moment you see it. Each room is fully furnished and flooded with natural light thanks to these expansive windows. It feels incredibly bright and airy the moment you walk in. Look at this layout. This space is perfectly optimized with a massive floor-to-ceiling closet that keeps everything organized. And the built-in desk is perfect to study or work. Now for the heart of the home. This huge open kitchen is fully equipped with double fridges and rice cookers. Every tenant has their own private closet for groceries too. They call themselves the Sodamies, and this big table is where they sometimes share dinners, stories, and events that turn roommates into friends. On the top part, there is a living room space to relax facing an incredible window. The open spaces really makes the room and the atmosphere incredible. To understand why this space feels so special, look at this design model. The building is constructed in a unique zigzag pattern to maximize flow and light. The name Sodam signifies a story filled with laughter and sharing the joy of life. In Korean, it also means neat, delicious, and pleasant to the eye, the perfect definition of the space and community. Between the floors, you'll find 2 modern shared bathrooms, ensuring there's never a morning rush. There's also another bathroom area where you'll find the laundry facilities and a rare luxury for Seoul housing, a real bathtub for those much-needed self-care nights. Even the corners are thought out for international students. Near the entrance, there's a dedicated storage zone for heavy luggage and extra lockers, so your living space stays clutter-free. Finally, because Sodam value the privacy of its residents, they've created a cozy guest room and terrace on the ground floor. It's the perfect place to host friends while keeping the rest of the house a peaceful sanctuary.